how can people benefit from B-State, and who should read B-State?
B-State was intended really for any leader, and I look at a leader as not confined to level.
Okay.
So you could be a leader in your role as an individual contributor. You can be a leader in your family. You could be a leader in a management position or an executive position. So for me, it's all about, it's truly a leadership book. And to me, leadership is all about how do we take where we are today and move it into the future. How do we, not settle for status quo, not settle for how things have been up to this point, but literally create a new reality and guide people and guide ourselves into that new reality that's better, that's more efficient, that's more on the leading edge, that's expansive. To me, human beings are evolutionary. Therefore, companies are evolutionary. And the problem that companies get into is they stop being evolutionary.
Which is how all these...
They get stuck.
Yeah.
And you can see that in many businesses within the last 20 years who've gone out of business, even though they were large, they held, massive market share, percentage-wise and everything, but they didn't stop evolving as society evolved, as technology evolved, as customer demands and needs evolved. Leadership is about taking people into the future, bottom line.